Snapped inside the spacer, so then it was just too cunty to fix. So, and we were going riding that day. Oh yeah, he's fucked.
He's fucked, yeah. Oh, we fucked.
No, he's done.
Man, it's soupy.
Oh yeah, he's done. Oh.
I might be fucked this time.
I think so.
You're gonna have to just straight winch me.
What?
Just winch it. Back up a bit. I want to do the conversation.
Oh,
Boy, my Peter.
should've worn your rubbers.
Fuck birds. Hey, I ripped my fucking light bear off.
How?
I caught a fucking tree branch back there. That's strap, bro. I remember this is 10,000 pounds sitting here.
Why would you bring the diesel?
Build and boost!
I want to buy a shit box truck just to do this.
Is that his daily?
Yeah.
Holy fuck. I better move my.
I'm gonna call Matt. Where's the axe? I'll put her down. I don't fucking know. I wasn't the one fucking.
Back in the awesome strap.
It'll make it. Yeah. Rear end's holding up though.
off. Give it 5 minutes. It'll blow.
Hey, my fanny's on number 2, so if the floor goes down, I can't say anything.
No.
You're in reverse.
Back up, do it again.
Back up, do it again. What happened?
There's another guy coming. That's a Chevy, or no, that's a Ford. Eh?
That's the strap. Was that reverse?
He should be good from there. Just come on back.
Riding the bank a little bit, Matt.
Where's the other end of this strap?
What?
If I throw this end, does that other end have a knot in it like this
Yeah.
one?
Yeah. A little more. It's just got this.
Okay, I need that end. This one has a knot and I can't get it through.
Okay, stop here.
Finally out.
Thanks, buddy. Now we got a truck stop.
Now we gotta try stop.
My helmet's back here. You need to grab it.
I grabbed it. It's in the truck there.